But before I start, I want to talk about something that's it's a confusing form that I want to mention. It's called Form I-824. And it's a form that has many different uses, but I was watching an old video I did. I thought I'd bring some, I talk about it to give you some guidance on it. So there are different situations where you need the USCIS to take an action. And the two of the most times that I've dealt with the need for this Form I-824 is this. You may have a situation where you start a green card case inside the United States. So you get married, you have a case pending, and then for some reason you have to leave the United States and you can't come back. We already have started your case in the United States, and for USCIS to send it to the foreign embassy for continuing and completing the process, they won't just do it willy-nilly. You have to submit this form and wait a while to get it. Unfortunately, the form usually takes a while to do and it costs money, but that's the process for that. Another scenario that pops up where you need the I-824 is if someone, was like, let's say, applying for a green card, they got the green card in the United States, but their spouse or child who could also get a green card because of that relationship, they're overseas and they're not coming to the US anytime soon because they may have school or work that's keeping them outside the United States. So the primary beneficiary gets the green card, that applicant, and once they're done, they should have filed an I-824 to notify USCIS, now that my case is finished, please send it to the embassy so my immediate relative or close relative that's part of the case could also finish their case overseas or outside the United States. It's not always overseas, sometimes Canada or Mexico. But that's the point of the form. Now the problem is that it usually takes a while. You have to follow up on it, call USCIS. Although it's supposed to be something that's automatic that you do beforehand for it to be automatic, it's not always the case. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the US immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.